Hi Patriot family. As many of you know, my name is Beth and I'm one of the hygienists here at Patriot Dental. So Dr. Ducate and the entire staff wanted to send the patients a message to make you aware of some changes that you will experience at your next dental visit. Please know that these changes that we have implemented are necessary in order to continue your dental care during COVID-19. So with that said, we are happy to announce that our practice reopened on May 12th, and since then, both the patients and the staff have remained healthy. So now, let's walk you through these changes. That way you know exactly what to expect at your next dental visit. Upon entering the office, you will be asked to hand sanitize, and then you will be assisted to your treatment room. After reviewing your health history, we will ask you to remove your mask and begin a pre-procedural mouth rinse. This 30-second rinse significantly reduces the amount of bacteria and viruses during the dental procedure. After this is done, we can safely begin treatment. During your appointment, you will notice some new equipment in each operatory. Every room has been equipped with a new air filtration system, as well as a powerful extraoral dental suction. This extraoral suction will be used to ensure that any aerosols created during the procedure are immediately removed from the air. To allow for more time between patient appointments for our ongoing as well as extra sterilization and disinfection procedures, we are limiting exams with Dr. Ducate. If the patient requests to have an exam, or if the dental hygienist feels it's necessary, we will absolutely have Dr. Ducate examine the patient. Also, we are minimizing visits to the front desk. Only patients that require restorative treatment or patients without dental insurance will visit the front desk after their appointment. Here at Patriot Dental, we are committed to following and exceeding the guidelines set forth by the American Dental Association and the Texas Dental Association. As always, the health and safety of our patients is our #1 priority. We're looking forward to seeing you at your next dental visit.